welcome back. Today we are going to be building a mama and baby sea turtle and a mama and baby elephant. So grab your mom, grab your plus plus, and let's get building.
All right, let's get building. Stay tuned, folks. It's gonna be a wild ride.
That is crazy town.
It's a good elephant.
Thank you.
Do it again. Good job.
Kind of sounds like a vacuum starting up. Welcome back to another plus plus build tutorial with Kate.
And Kate.
Your
favorite duo.
Exactly, and speaking of duos, I thought it'd be fun if we showed you guys how to build some moms and baby animals out of plus plus pieces. A mom and baby sea turtle, which is one of our most popular builds on our app, and I think one of our best-selling tubes in stores is the sea turtle.
Yep. We're also going to be doing our baby elephant and larger elephant, which is also in a tube.
It is, yes, and the baby is on the app.
Kate is gonna be building the mamas of the duo, and I will be building the babies.
Let's get swimming, people. And so the colors that come in our sea turtle are coral, basic yellow, lime, and forest. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get started on the mama turtle. Oh, you've already gotten started on your baby. What a nice foundation.
I thought that we were getting started.
I know,
I'm sorry.
that's my fault.
So wait, you guys are looking at your phones. Why are you looking at your phone?
I'm looking at the phone, so I need to follow along with her app instructions to make sure that I'm doing this baby justice.
And if you guys didn't know, we have a free plus plus app.
It is available on the App Store and Google Play Store.
Especially the most popular section on there is our 3D section. And anytime I put up a guide for a baby animal, it goes crazy. So I thought it'd be really fun to make a video showing how to make some of those baby animals. I think kids love building them because they can build so many of the baby animals because they don't take that many pieces. So what's really interesting about the sea turtle and why I think it's a simpler build is because a lot of it is built with layers. So we had our first layer here, already see the sea turtle starting to come together. And Kate's like already done with her baby, so I'm gonna have to, you might have to make another one. Maybe you could use the big and make one, who knows?
Oh, it's a baby sea turtle that
cute.
just hatched.
Look at him, so cute. So Kate has already finished the sea turtle baby here. I'm almost done with the mom.
Let's see.
I don't know what you want to do. I didn't think about this.
I'll do a big baby.
Oh, big baby.
Enough pieces?
She should.
Should. It's not going to be the exact colors.
Red for the shell?
Big baby.
Yeah. Surprise me.
I don't like surprises.
Famous last words. Let's see. 2.
And then I'll do one purple in place of the forest.
Overcoming much adversity with all these pieces being thrown, and I'm staying laser focused on my turtle. And just in time for summer too. Sea turtle, it really blew up last summer on the app because it's such a summery, fun vibe. We have sea turtles in a lot of our sets. Like our activity pad has a sea turtle in it.
Well, we also came out with a new sea turtle tube and box last year as well.
This is true. So I've already finished my sea turtle's whole body for the mom sea turtle. Just get ready to see these two together, guys. They're so cute.
Here's the larger of the litter.
Look at the turtle. That's definitely
the little runt.
Yeah, it's definitely not the runt. I'll tell you that much for free.
Actually, I think that's like real life size.
It does look like a real life size turtle.
size.
Look at her.
And she came to life.
Stunning. So we have our baby here made by Kate over here, and then the mama made by me, other Kate.
Do they float?
I mean, I think they glide throughout the water. But also, if you want to attach your baby in mama builds, there's a really easy spot to do that. You can just slide. Is it in that one?
Yeah, you're good.
You can just slide the baby turtle right on top like that. So if you want them to stay attached, and they can swim together, you decorate with so many little baby animals, baby and mama plus animals. That'd be so cute. So cute.
So,
It's true.
yeah.
You're gonna do a flip. Do a flip.
It's a good elephant.
Thank you.
Do it again. Good job.
Kind of sounds like a vacuum starting up. Now we are gonna do elephant, mommy, and baby builds. So cute.
What's a baby elephant called?
What is it called? A calf? I think it is a calf.
I think it's
yeah. Oh, caffeinated. So I'm gonna be building the mommy elephant while Kate Luttrell over here does the baby elephant. You can actually purchase our elephant tube, which will be the build that I'm doing. But if you want to get more pieces to make the baby elephant build, or even take apart your elephant and create the baby elephant build, that also works. Also, I heard that elephants have really good memories.
I did too.
Yes, I heard that, and some of them, I've even seen that there's been elephants that can paint, which is
Yes.
craziness.
So my brother, fun fact, worked at a zoo,
Oh.
and I have penguin, elephant, and gorilla paintings at my house.
Oh my gosh. I loved Babar when I was a child.
Oh yes, dans le grand forêt.
Yes, it's
Un
Babar.
petit éléphant. Il s'appelle Babar. I too am done with my elephant legs, and now I'm going to connect them to the body.
Yeah.
Wasn't there one in Winnie the Pooh?
Oh.
Heffalump.
Yeah,
Heffalumps and woozles.
but it wasn't, I guess, technically an elephant.
No. It was also an imaginary, like in his dreams, like in his nightmares.
How's the baby going?
I have the body done. Does
Whoa,
it look correct to
it
you?
does. It looks good. I'm proud.
Thanks.
Elephant facts for kids.
Yay, perfect.
Okay. Elephants are the world's largest land animals.
Whoa.
Elephants are the world's largest land animals?
That's pretty crazy.
Oh my gosh, I would have never guessed.
Whoa.
An elephant's trunk has around 150,000 muscle units.
Say what?
Yes.
That is crazy town. Both male and female elephants have tusks.
Yay.
That's crazy.
I love our elephant's tusks because they're made out of pearl.
Oh yes, they are. And it shimmers. Whoa! And that's very similar to my elephant's face.
What is a group of elephants called?
A herd,
Nope.
A gaggle.
Nope.
a swamp,
Nope.
a stomp.
Nope. Good guess though. It's called a parade.
Ah.
Elephants.
Wow.
I know.
Should we have a parade with our elephants?
A ticker-tape parade. Look at how weird my elephant looks without the trunk. That is a mute elephant. This is mutiny. Plus brings people together.
Yes.
Is it? Am I wrong?
No, you're not wrong
Yeah.
at all. What should we name him? Her? Him? I like it being a him.
Yes. Maybe Elliot, the elephant. This is Eliza.
Oh.
Elliot and Eliza. What a fun little pair. All right, I'm almost done here, so I'm gonna add. Here's the elephant head.
Yay.
Here's the elephant head. So you can see it's pretty similar to the baby elephants, just smaller trunk, smaller ears,
No
a little bit of a
husks.
different. Yes.
What's his name? Elliot's husks haven't come in yet. He's
Is
a
that
little-
anatomically correct? I don't think they're born with.
I don't think
yeah.
they're born with
He's-
tusks. I think they grow like teeth. Oh.
Not in the desert.
We have a whole backstory.
Here are our final elephants. So we have our mom baby and our baby baby. Oh wait, I said mom baby. We have our mom elephant and our baby elephant.
Yes.
And thank you guys for having so much Ella fun with us today. Look at these guys. So today we built mom and baby plus builds, and we built sea turtles and elephants. So let us know which one of these is your favorite, or share if you make mommy and baby animals out of plus because I see them all the time on the app and they're really cute. Sometimes people will make like 20 babies. So thank you guys so much for following along.
Wait, you should let us know if you want to see any other baby animals be put onto the app.
Yes, let us know about that. There's a ton of baby animals on there, even a baby triceratops. So even getting into the dinosaur little range there.
Yes.
But stay tuned for more baby animals on the app. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and happy Mother's Day.
Bye, y'all.
Rolling. Oh, Mother's Day, take 487. Mother's Day, take 1,427. Mother's Day, take 1,475,686.
Right.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do it. Okay.
Mother's Day, take, what number did you end up?
Million something. But you gotta say the whole thing.
Oh, okay. Mother's Day, 1,785,17,112,076.
Thank you.
76 trombones. Why does 76 always come up? Okay.